The hiccupies.
Hiccups. Hiccups. Yeah. Get those hiccups. Oh. Get rid of those hiccups. From Mama and Daddy, please. Oh, yeah. That feels nice, doesn't it?
Ooh, shoulder rub.
Whoa. Yeah. Let's get rid of them. What do we do to get rid of them? Do we tickle your belly? Do we tickle your belly? Do we do shoulder rubs?
Mmm.
That's what Mama likes.
Yeah.